What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Today we got an unboxing. I just got a package in the mail yesterday. It is, what's today? Wednesday morning. I'm gonna go ahead and get this unboxed. We got a pair of clippers and trimmer set from Suprent. So if you're not following Suprent, go follow Suprent at Suprent underscore official, I believe. I'll put the username down below right here so you guys can go follow them. Other than that, let's get to this unboxing.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
What's good, everybody? So we have the Suprent Hair Care We Care. That's their slogan. We got a trimmer and clipper combo. The Black Devil Hair Clipper Kit HC596. So you can see here, you got the logo, a lot of branding. I dig that. And on the back, we have some information. So let's get into that real quick. So it says, Suprent Hair Care We Care. Brand is Suprent. Power supply input DC 5-volt 1A battery type lithium ion. Hair clipper motor is 5,500 RPM. Running time is 5 hours. Charging time is 3 hours. So I think that the running time 5 hours is pretty dope. You don't have to put down the charger much at all. Probably just charge it once, honestly. Battery capacity is 2,500 milliamps. Detail trimmer is 6,000 RPM. Runtime is 3 hours to a charge time of 2 hours. Battery capacity is 1,400 milliamps. So we have here more information about where it's coming from. I believe this is a Chinese company, but let's go ahead and get into this box. So I'm really digging the packaging here. Very professional, very elegant. We got this plastic cover. Let's get this out of the way. So here is the actual clipper and trimmer. I am a big fan of like blacked out everything, so these clippers are really dope. But let's go ahead and take the clipper out first. I am really doubting that the, oh, I lied. So it did turn on. But I was doubting that the battery was charged. But as you can see here, we got the gold lever, gold cutting blade, gold screws, got the Suprent fade blade on there. There is our branding, of course, on the center. We got an LED indicator area, which gives you an idea of how much time you have left to charge. So it's extremely quiet. Very impressed with how low sounding it is for how much power I feel. I'm very impressed. 5,500 RPMs, but it feels a lot more powerful than the Magic Clips I have. The Magic Clips don't feel as powerful in the hand, and they're about the same, roughly the same RPMs. I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside for a second. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trimmer here. Same colorway, got the blacked out black power switch, black screws, black cutting blade. I'm sorry, black cut stationary blade, gold screws, gold cutting blade, gold trim. You got the logo on the front as well. More branding. There is your charging area. No LED indicator light on this one, but the box did say that this does come zero gap, or it can be zero gap. Let's see real quick. So it's pretty close. We'll have to see how it operates right outside the box, but I think that is pretty close. But we'll check it out and see what it's like. But let's see what else we got inside. So we're gonna pop this bad boy off right here. So inside we have the cutting cape, Suprent. You can see it has a logo all over the cutting cape in there. Also, we have some accessories. So let's go ahead and see what we have in the box here. So we got some, oh sweet. So we got some awesome looking guards here. Looks like the one guard, I'm presuming a half guard is the A, and a couple more guards in here. I'm not gonna open that up, but I'll let you guys know what guards it does come with. And then we have your user manual, of course, and also your trimmer guards, which I don't use, but some people do, I guess, but I don't. Throw those aside. Have your charging cord, and also a nice little comb that we got here. So that's everything that came inside. Inside we have the cutting cape, Suprent. You can see it has a logo all over the cutting cape in there. Also, we have some accessories. So let's go ahead and see what we have in the box here. So we got some, oh sweet. So we got some awesome looking guards here. It looks like the one guard, I'm presuming a half guard is the A, and a couple more guards in here. I'm not gonna open that up, but I'll let you guys know what guards it does come with. And then we have your user manual, of course, and also your trimmer guards, which I don't use, but some people do, I guess, but I don't. Throw those aside. Have your charging cord, and also a nice little comb that we got here. So that's everything that came inside the box. So right out the gate, I will say that I really am enjoying the look and the feel of this clipper. It is a very heavy clipper, and I'm really digging the weight of it. It's all metal casing, so that is really dope. We're gonna see how this blade operates, what kind of blend we can get out of it. But like I said, blacked out and gold, that's clean. And also, I opened the guards here, and you can see we have the half guard. And this is really equivalent to the wall guards that I have. So this is the one guard here, gold trim, black guard, and it has the actual metal clip on there, so it'll clip on nice and snug right there. So like I said, I'm really digging it, and can't wait to use it in the shop and see what kind of blend we get out of it. I will probably zero gap this a little bit closer. It's not as close as I usually would like the actual clipper blade. And also, I'm gonna try to figure out how to zero gap this. Well, actually, after looking at it, that is pretty close. So I'm gonna keep it like that, and we'll see how it hits right out the box. But as far as this, I'm gonna go ahead and zero gap that, because I like to zero gap my clippers. But stay tuned for the next video. I will have a full review over how I feel these operate. I will do multiple haircuts with these probably throughout the day today, and give you guys a full review on how I think they operate. So stay tuned for that, but I appreciate you guys for clicking on this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Until next time, God bless.